Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. This video channel is at smarturl.it/pass actuarial exams. Here you can find information about online seminars and study manuals for exams P, FM, IFM, and LTAM that I offer. I direct the Actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help-ISU-actuary. Here's a problem for today for exam FM on financial mathematics. An insurer enters into a 4-year contract today. The contract requires the insured to deposit $500 into a fund that earns an annual effective rate of 5% and from which all claims will be paid. The insurer expects that $100 in claims will be paid at the end of each year for the next 4 years. At the end of the 4th year, after all claims are paid, the insurer is required to return 75% of the remaining fund balance to the insured. To issue this policy, the insurer incurs $100 in expenses today. It also collects a fee of $125 at the end of 2 years. Calculate the insurer's yield rate. And here's the solution. So the amount accumulated in the fund after 4 years is $500 accumulated at 5% over 4 years, minus $100 accumulated as an annuity immediate over 4 years at 5%, and that is equal to 176.74. The insurer returns 75% of that to the insured and keeps 25% of it, which is approximately 44.19. Hence, the cash flows of the insurer are pay 100 at time 0, receive 125 at time 2, and receive 44.19 at time 4. The equation of value stated at time 4 is therefore 100 times 1 plus I to the 4th minus 125 times 1 plus I squared minus 44.19 is equal to 0. The positive amount of 100 is the payment at time 0, and the negative amounts are the amounts the insurance company receives. You can set them exactly the opposite way, so make the payments negative and the money received positive. It would still end up being this type of an equation. And the way I phrased it with 100 being positive lets me look at this and view this as a quadratic equation in terms of 1 plus I squared, and the coefficient in front of 1 plus I squared, so 1 plus I to the 4th, is a positive one, so that I can directly use the quadratic formula to solve it. So 1 plus I squared using the quadratic formula is minus b, which is minus negative 125, so 125 plus minus the square root of b squared. Well, the square of negative 125 is the same as 125, so it's 125 squared minus 4 times a times c. Well, that's minus 4 times 100 times negative 44.19, so the two minuses cancel and become a plus, and then divided by 2a. 2 times 100 is 200. Then we calculate this. This is approximately equal to 1.5374. That's the feasible solution of the two solutions that you get from this. And then using that, I is equal to 1.5374 to the power 0.5 minus 1. It's approximately 23.99. It's actually a little bit more than 23.99, so it's almost exactly 24%, which is answer B. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem itself comes from Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.